judges of the 5th Annual Livestock Show have finished voting, and we are proud to announce the prize-winning bull from the ranch of George Beefsteak is Big Red. Mr. Beefsteak, would you bring Big Red to the winner's circle, please?
My pleasure. Hey, the lights!
Remain in your seats, everyone. We'll have the lights fixed in a jiffy. There we are, folks. And now. Hey, where's Big Red?
He's gone! Big Red has been bullnapped! Call the police!
Any idea who'd want to steal a bull, Mr. Beefsteak?
Why, it looks like the work of the lonesome rustler, Chief Snooker.
Too late, Mumbly. I got everything under control. This is an open and shut case of beef rustling, and I'm about to reconstruct the crime. Now, I'm Big Red. I'm standing here. Then what happened?
You disappear.
How does a 2,000-pound bull disappear?
Why, it's Big Red, my prize bull, and me, the lonesome rustler.
I saw them. The lonesome rustler has ripped off Big Red, and that's against the law. Don't just stand there snickering, Mumbly. Get going, and don't come back without that beef on the hoof. Feet.
Aha! This load of beef will bring me a lot of loot! We don't want to break any laws. It's Lieutenant Mumbly.
Yep, taking you in.
And I'm taking you out. Rustle. Here we are. That mumbling Mumbly'll never find me here. Oh no! He's out there! Nothing. Must have been my imagination. There. That'll keep him out. Huh? Is that you, Mumbly?
Yep. You're under arrest.
Okay, I'll give up. You wait right there while I get my coat. Now I'll get my hat. And my boots. And I'll go along quietly. I sure pulled a fast one on him. No! It can't be! But it is! Ha-ha! Ditched him! Now to cool off a bit. do you think you're doing? Mumbly! Yup, taking you in. Lieutenant, you're starting to bug me. Come on, train, hurry! Wait a minute! That was no train. That was... If I can't lose him in my fast truck, I'll make my getaway on foot. You'll never find me in this dark tunnel. Lucky this tunnel leads to the old mine shaft. Safe at last. Mumbly'll never find me here.
Lieutenant Mumbly, I want to congratulate you for capturing the lonesome rustler and recovering Big Red, my prize bull.
Thanks, Mr. Beefsteak. I deserve it. They don't call me old side saddle snooker, the sharpest shooting sheriff on the force for nothing, you know. You're off the case, Mumbly. I got it all wrapped up. Oh? What's the matter with him?